Did you know that top YouTubers like MrBeast and Ali Abdaal are secretly running faceless channels earning passive income on autopilot? What if I told you you could do the same? Stick around, because today I'm spilling their secrets and why 2025 is the ultimate time to launch your own faceless YouTube empire, because YouTube is handing new creators the ultimate golden ticket to skyrocket their success. The algorithm is working in your favor like never before, allowing you to monetize faster and earn more. That's right. 2025 is your prime opportunity to launch your channel. Doubt it? Well, let's take a look at what Todd Beaupre, the head of YouTube's growth and discovery team, had to say.
For new creators or smaller creators, because when you say the algorithm follows the audience, they worry that they don't have an audience yet for the algorithm to follow. So do we do anything for those creators?
Yeah, so we have a team that is specifically focused on this challenge of trying to identify audiences for creators that are just getting started, for videos that we don't have a lot of information about. And so, yeah, with those videos and channels, we do need to try some different approaches. The title, the description. When there are viewers that show up that seems like they might be interested in it, we'll show that video to those viewers and see which of them react. We really want to make sure that there is a path for new creators to get started. It's a metric we track, how many new creators are succeeding on the platform. We're very focused on that. We care a lot about it because we do believe that there's a lot of opportunity there with new creators coming along with new ideas all the time, and we want to help those creators be successful.
Trust me, it's a game changer. If you've been paying attention to YouTube's homepage lately, you might have noticed something exciting. New creators, ones you've probably never seen before, are suddenly popping up everywhere. And it's no coincidence. YouTube is actively promoting smaller channels, giving them a chance to grow faster and reach a broader audience. So, what does this mean for you? If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, especially a faceless one, now is the perfect time to act. Opportunities like this don't come often. This could be your moment to turn your passion into a steady stream of passive income. But there's one thing you need to understand. Success on YouTube isn't just about uploading random content. It's about creating with purpose, strategy, and the right approach. Let me walk you through a few proven video formats that are making waves, especially with the help of AI. The first niche that's doing really well on YouTube is finance-related content. People are constantly searching for ways to improve their financial situation, whether it's how to invest, save money, or create better financial habits. If you can help others solve these types of problems, you're setting yourself up for success. You can create videos around a variety of topics, such as how to grow your money through smart investing, financial habits for better money management, the best tools and tips to help manage debt. Look, the channel is called Chris Invest, and they just make investing and personal finance videos without showing their face. To run a channel like this, you don't have to be a financial expert to start. Simply offering valuable, well-researched advice can put you in front of an audience that's eager for your insights. And with AI, you can streamline your research and content creation, making it easier to produce high-quality videos quickly. Next one, the most powerful niche is storytelling. Whether you're sharing motivational stories, historical events, cartoon moral stories, or even fictional tales, storytelling videos connect with viewers on a deep emotional level. These videos are engaging because they follow a clear structure, beginning, middle, and end, and captivate your audience throughout the narrative. Take, for example, the channel Little Margot Stories, which gained more than 230,000 subscribers with only 13 videos. They take complex stories and break them down into bite-sized, understandable pieces, all while maintaining a captivating storytelling style, and this is done with the help of AI tools. Why does this format work? People are wired for stories. Whether it's a funny anecdote or an inspiring tale, stories create emotional bonds, educate, and stay with the viewer long after they finish watching. You can even take advantage of AI tools to help craft your narrative or come up with ideas for stories. And third niche is expert-based videos. This niche involves sharing your expertise to solve specific problems or answer questions that your audience is actively searching for. The great thing about this approach is that you don't need to be a world-renowned expert, you just need to be knowledgeable enough to provide value to your audience. An excellent example of channels that have thrived with this approach is Proactive English Practice and Listen and Speak Academy, a channel that teaches English using AI. In just 1 year, they grew to more than 400,000 subscribers with only 97 videos. They created content that directly solved problems for their viewers, which kept people coming back for more. The beauty of expert-based videos is that they not only help your viewers, but they also help establish your credibility. When you consistently provide helpful content, your audience will begin to trust you and rely on your channel for answers. So, here's my advice. Start your channel this month. Take that first step. Make your first video, and share your journey with the world. Whether it's finance-related content, telling stories, or sharing your expertise, there's never been a better time to start than now. And if you're ready to grow a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 with the help of AI, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I'll be sharing new strategies, tips, and tools to help you succeed on this exciting platform. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can turn your passion into a successful, income-generating YouTube channel. Let's make it happen.